And we're continuing our breaking focus on the Bollywood con scandal that has re-erupted yesterday with the grilling and interrogation of actor Nora Fatehi. And now, just hours after her grilling ended, Nora Fatehi has issued a statement, and I want to bring those words to you directly. She says that she's claimed innocence in that statement. Nora Fatehi has said she is not involved in any money laundering activity which is being conjectured in some sections of the media, certainly not here on India Today. She says she has no connection with the main accused, Sukesh Chandrasekhar, and she has been called in by the Enforcement Directorate to help in the investigation and to cooperate with whatever information she can provide them with. So Nora Fatehi, popular actor, popular social media star who was grilled for 8 hours yesterday, has now issued a statement saying, I am not part of this entire scandal or scam. I have been called in to provide information and to cooperate with the Enforcement Directorate. Breaking these exclusive details is India Today's Munish Pandey joining me live on this. 8-hour interrogation took place yesterday, Munish, of Nora Fatehi. Jacqueline Fernandez was summoned today, but she has been unable to appear, so there's going to be a different summons. We have some news breaks on that in a moment from now. But tell us about the grilling of Nora Fatehi. 8 hours long, and she's issued a statement saying, I am here to cooperate and aid in this investigation. I have nothing at all to do with the scandal itself.
Yeah, well, Shiv, as far as this entire investigation is concerned, in the rupees 200 crore extortion case, Sukesh Chandrasekhar is a man who is the center of attraction, and now two Bollywood actresses, Nora Fatehi and Jacqueline Fernandez. Now, as far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, when ED got to know about her alleged association with Sukesh Chandrasekhar, she was called in for questioning. And to be precise, she was called as a witness in the case. Her statement has been recorded under Section 50 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Now, when she was called in for the questioning, she was confronted face-to-face with Sukesh Chandrasekhar because Sukesh Chandrasekhar is already in custody. And that is why ED wanted Jacqueline also to come in today so that she can be confronted. Now, when this confrontation took place, what ED sources have told India Today that they got to know that Sukesh Chandrasekhar and Nora Fatehi met once in lifetime. And why was this meeting? Now, as per the sources within the ED, what they have told is that there was one event in which Sukesh Chandrasekhar's wife, Leena Maria Paul, who is also an actress, she invited Nora Fatehi in that event. And after Nora Fatehi appeared in that event, she was gifted expensive gifts by Sukesh Chandrasekhar worth more than 1 crore. So that is the entire association of Sukesh Chandrasekhar with Nora Fatehi, and that is why she has become very important part of this case. Now, as far as ED is concerned, they are saying that Nora Fatehi cooperated during the investigation. They have got the information from Nora Fatehi, but not only Nora Fatehi, any person who was associated or who has been associated with this con man, they are being questioned by the ED.
Okay, very, very interesting. So you've got the interrogation that has happened, and now you've got this formal statement that's come out from Nora Fatehi as well. It's possible that she will be interrogated again. Munish, stay with me. Let's break down for our viewers now what the arguments that have been put forward by Nora Fatehi in her statement. Number one, she says she is not involved in any money laundering activity. It's important to present both sides because here on India Today, we're only reporting the proceedings. We're not taking sides. We do not play judge and jury like other channels. We report what's happening. There is no connection to any accused, says Nora Fatehi. She says she's been called by the Enforcement Directorate to help in this investigation and that she is cooperating with the investigating officials as a witness. So it's very important. She says, please differentiate. I'm not an accused in the case. I have been called in as a witness to provide more information. Now, Nora Fatehi is one. Jacqueline Fernandez is another. She's been grilled before, but she couldn't appear and answer a summons today, which means she will have to come within the next few days sometimes. Two Bollywood divas and their twisted links are in scrutiny with this 200 crore rupee money laundering scandal. After actor Jacqueline Fernandez skipped summons by the Enforcement Directorate today citing personal reasons, she has now been summoned again for the third time tomorrow, that is Saturday at 11 a.m. India Today now gets you inside details of Bollywood actors Jacqueline Fernandez and Nora Fatehi and their links which are under scrutiny to Chennai King conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Very important to remember that both these actors say they have nothing to do with any of this controversial activity. Sources say while the Enforcement Directorate was investigating financial records of Sukesh, who is understood to be the kingpin and is now in a Delhi jail, they got to know of Jacqueline Fernandez's alleged role in this entire affair. Even though Jacqueline had claimed that she is a victim of Sukesh, the Enforcement Directorate says that they have found evidence that she knew Sukesh very well and was in constant touch with him over the phone. The Enforcement Directorate wants to confront Jacqueline with the evidence they have on her. India Today has also obtained some details on Nora Fatehi's interrogation that took place yesterday. Nora was confronted with Sukesh Chandrasekhar yesterday on Thursday. During that 8-hour questioning in Delhi, Enforcement Directorate officials said that they have found key links, including details that Nora was invited by Sukesh's wife, actor Lena Paul, for an event. She was also reportedly given expensive gifts worth crores by Sukesh when she came for that particular event. Now, none of this establishes complicity or any kind of partnership in the actual money laundering, but the Enforcement Directorate wants to investigate these partnerships, these links, this relationship a little further to see if it goes all the way and goes deeper. Jacqueline, who was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate on Friday, gave the questioning a skip, citing personal, unavoidable circumstances. She will be issued fresh summons soon. Jacqueline has already been questioned twice in August and September. Sources tell India Today that the 29-year-old Bollywood actor's statement will be recorded under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act in a cheating case lodged against conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. The agency, according to sources, has been probing if there was any financial transaction between conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar with Jacqueline and Nora Fatehi. The conman, who's lodged in a Delhi jail as an under trial, has been accused of extorting 200 crore rupees from a businessman's wife over a period of 1 year. He also faces 20 other cases of extortion and accused of operating the racket from inside his jail cell. While Sukesh is accused of using his wife Leena, the probe agency is trying to establish if other stars like Nora Fatehi and Jacqueline Fernandez had any role in this entire operation. And crucially, if any money was channeled to offshore accounts using the divas who have foreign roots. Bollywood's alleged links with dubious operators turning out to be in sharp focus.
Along with Nora Fatehi, Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez is also under scanner of Enforcement Directorate. Sources say in the first statement, Jacqueline told the investigators that she is also one of the victims of Sukesh Chandrasekhar, but later on, ED allegedly found certain evidence based on which they decided not to give her a clean chit, and she is also under probe in this case. Munish Pandey in Delhi for India Today.